Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our spicy hot apple cider. Now we already gave out a recipe to this. It's already on our YouTube channel. Go over there and check it out. But let me tell you, there is sometimes when people are selling hot apple cider around this time of year. Where did we go up there? We went to Apple Hill. Yeah, we went to Apple Hill up here in California, up there in the hills and everything. Anyway, but we had ordered a hot apple cider. You know, it's a big old kick about having some good old apple cider, right? Right, I remember that. And so what happened is when we got it, it didn't have that much flavor. The flavors wasn't going through it. It was like they had just boiled some hot apple cider and maybe added one cinnamon stick, and that was one day. I didn't taste no cinnamon. I'm telling you, I didn't taste no cinnamon. I didn't taste no cloves. I didn't taste nothing, everybody. No malt, but nothing. So when you guys make a hot apple cider, it's got to have flavor. Now, as we poured it in here, you add a little bit of a nice cinnamon stick for garnishment, and there you are, voila. Go over to our YouTube channel and check it out.